Let's see some finishing touches you can use in Clipchamp. There's lots in graphics such as stickers. You can either add it to your timeline immediately or just to your media ready for later. Here it is, in my media ready to be dragged into the video. You can add it to the same track as another one to play after or drag up or down to create a new track. You can add effects from the right-hand side toolbar. When you select a clip, you can use additional options such as rotate and flip. Shapes could also be useful to make text or areas of the video stand out. You can automatically generate captions if you have speech in your video. This helps accessibility. In Record and Media there is a text-to-speech option that sounds better than me. You just type the text and you can add it to your media. Then drag it where you want it. Overlays are another type of graphic you might consider for your video. You may need to drag it up and down on the timeline to add the effect to the clip you want to. When you have finished your video, click on the Export button and then choose the resolution and file format. If it's short, you will have the option of creating a GIF file. If you haven't already, give it a name to make it easier to find on the home page. It will download as a file for your computer, but there's also an option to add it to a cloud service and share it as well.